What's up, YouTube? So today we are at Blizzard in Austin, Texas. We actually finished just about everything but pictures. Fortunately couldn't record a lot because, not because they wouldn't let us, but because there's not anybody to record. So we did a demonstration. We let like, I don't know, 40 people hit us with longswords. And now we're gonna go take some more pictures maybe and hang out for a minute. So let's go inside. So here's the entrance. It's so cool. Come look, come look. First off, look at our everything is like amazing. There it goes. It's like, it's awesome. You'll never guess what game I'm gonna play now. Again. It's been like 8 years? It's been a long time. It's changed a lot. But so yeah, we did a demo and we did some explanations. We did a couple fights. And no one could hold the camera, but now someone can, so here we are. It's been a cool day at Blizzard.
Opposite of cool. Opposite of cool. A hot day.
Focus.
All right, so here's where we did our demo. Cool. It's the most awesomest lunchroom ever. Yeah. I said we were leaving earlier. Now we're really leaving, for reals. Packing up the last bit, and then it's time to fix some armor and work out. Woohoo! Today is a day of deload on the legs. We're doing that. That's a warm up. That's our workout. And then we're gonna do obliques. We're gonna do our circuit. Then we're gonna do that, and the rest is a mystery. Woo! Here we go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just so you know, hear the thunder. It's humid as Duke out right now, and it looks like it won't actually rain, even though we hear all the thunder. So, yay.
Yeah.
Squat time.
Squat.
Guys, it's rainy. It's hot. It's humid. Blizzard was tiring. Cool, but tiring. I am tired.
I'm red.
I saw one of the pictures. I was purple in that thing, man. It was hot out. Totally different weather between here and Austin, that's for sure. He's fixing to do his lift. Let's watch. Yay! 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Nice.
Actually felt good. My calf is like, yeah. Whale. Unfortunately, just like a real gym, we had to cancel stuff for bad weather. Bad weather day. No circuit, no longsword. Because can't do it in the garage. It's too short. I will hit stuff and break things. So, the rain has gotten all the way up to here. He's died in it. He slipped and he fell and he's done. But he's gonna do obliques on his death. aren't you? Yeah, see? It's seriously like what, all the way here, and I don't know how. It's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna do our bleaks, and then that's the end of that, I guess. Yippee. That's it. It was a fun day. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment on what's your most fun day you've ever had in your life and your favorite color. Comment below. Until next time.